Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you are a student or a worker in China and you are spending a lot of money on your food and or the related stuff, then now I will tell you about a secret. By using this, you can find a lot of deals at discount prices. Okay, so for this purpose, you only just need a one app that is known as Alipay. Okay, so you will first open the Alipay app. When you open the Alipay app, you will see a lot of options. Okay, so in the top corner you can see here an option of pocket. Okay, so just click on it. When you open that option, then you see here a lot of coupons. You can see that you can avail these coupon to get a lot of discount in a variety of uh, platforms like taxi or train tickets. But today we will focus on the food deals. So you just need to click on the max deal option. Okay, when you click, you can see here there are a lot of deals in your surrounding area that is available here, that is at the discounted price as compared to what you get when you went to the store. Okay, for example, if you see on that McDonald ice cream, you can see here, so you will get it for 2 RMB. Otherwise its original price is 5 RMB. Moreover, you can also see that this is the location, that how much this shop is far from you. You can see that this shop is 275-meter far from you, so you can easily go there and take a deal. You can see that this shop is 1.9 kilometer far from you. This shop is 28336 kilometer far from you. So for example, if you want this drink, you want to get this lemonade, so you will just click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you will see a lot of options. So if you want that price, then you just need to click on that red button. Okay, and moreover, if you are not aware about the location of this shop, then the most easiest part, you will go here down at that spot. You can see here, this is the shop. So you just click on it on that here. Okay, when you click on it, you will see all that item that are available in that shop on discounted price. You can see them all. Okay, so if you want to find the location, then you need to click on that location icon. So just click on it. Look at this. So this is its location. You just need to click on that arrows. Your location app will be opened and you can follow this location to get discounted price. So it is the most easiest way to get a lot of discounts. Not only this, for example, if you don't want to go to this shop, but you want to go to another shop, so you will click on that option. You can see here 304. Just click on it, and all those shops that are giving the same discount, you can see them. So just browse them and check whether you are going and which shop is more convenient for you. Then just click on that location button and you will get a location and get a deal on the discounted price. So it's a very good app, very good option for you to get deals in discounted price. You can see that McDonald's, KFC, Luckin Coffee, Auntie Jenny, there are a lot of offers including Starbucks. You can see here, this is buy one get one free offer. So if you like this video, then just follow the channel for more update, and also visit our other videos related to more easier stuff that you can do while you are in China. Thank you.